Guys, so I made a fire alarm system in my house. It's made of Lego. So yeah, let's do it. So this is gonna be just a drill. So this just says just break just in case of emergency. Let's go with the key. We gotta go open this up. Take out the emergency. Put in the one for when it's just a drill. Close it back up. We'll put this on. Close it. There, take the cover off the fire alarm. And guys, let's pull it. Let me pull it with my... So there's an actual fire alarm.
It's not an actual fire.
Lucas, yeah, it's a drill. We're just testing the fire alarm. So here it is. Now we have to go outside and evacuate. And we have to face away. Okay, the drill's ended. Now we have to go back into the house. You have to turn off the fire alarm. Fault. It's fault. It faulted. It stopped. I paused there, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's pretty good.